Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two software business management platform, which is RefreshMe and Hubdoc. So to get started, in 2025 RefreshMe and Hubdoc cater to a different aspect of financial management. So to get started, RefreshMe is designed for individual and families aiming to manage personal finances effectively. It offers features like expense tracking, budgeting tools, investment monitoring, and credit score alert with a pricing start at $12 per user per month. It also provides a user-friendly interface and emphasizes data privacy and security. However, RefreshMe lack business-specific functionality such as invoicing, multi-user collaboration, limiting its suitability for business accounting need. And Hubdoc, on the other hand, is tailored for business seeking to automate document collection and data entry processes. It allows users to capture bills and receipts via mobile app, emails, or direct upload, and then extract key information to integrate with the account software like Xero and QuickBooks Online. The price at $12 per month, Hubdoc offers features such as automatic document fetching, smart data extraction, secure cloud-based storage, and collaboration tools for accountants and bookkeepers. While Hubdoc excel in streamlining business financial workflow is because it offers more complex than necessary for individuals focusing solo on personal finances. And ultimately, the choice between RefreshMe and Hubdoc in 2025 depends on your specific need. So choose RefreshMe for personal financial management and Hubdoc for business document automation and bookkeeping. Thanks.